Hello everyone. In this video, I will derive the median of exponential distribution. So you have to understand that whenever someone asks to you to find any median for any distribution, you will always have to go for taking the half of the CDF. So you have to use every time the CDF. And what we will do, suppose for any distribution the CDF is f of x, then you will take its half portion and it will be the median. So for exponential distribution we will perform today the median, and say we like to use m in spite of x. M denotes the median, is equal to half. Next, we can put the CDF value for exponential distribution 1 minus e to the power minus lambda x, which is equal to half. And the next, what we can do, we take this one here and we will have e to the power minus lambda, sorry, this will be m, e to the power minus lambda m is equal to half minus 1. And what we will have in both sides, yes, we can cancel this minus. E to the power minus lambda m is equal to half. This will be minus half and minus, both sides will be cancelled, so we will left with e to the power minus lambda m equal to half. And next, what we have, see, we take this into that part, so it will be gone through ln. So we will have here in this part is we are taking logarithm in both sides, so we will take logarithm of e base, so it's ln of e to the power minus lambda m equal to ln of half. Next, so this will be cancelled now, so we will left with lambda m and ln of e equal to ln 1 minus ln of 2, and ln e's value is 1, so we will left with lambda m only, and ln 1 is 0, so we will have 0 minus ln 2. And we want to find this m, right? So we will take here m only, and minus will be cancelled from the both sides, so we will left with ln 2 divided by lambda. So what is our median right now? Our median of exponential distribution is ln 2 divided by lambda, and this is our desired solution for the problem to finding the median of exponential distribution. Thank you very much for this part.